Hey everyone, welcome to the trading floor's 25 days of Tradesmas. Make sure you stick around to the end of this video to find out how you can win $1,000.
So this is a trade I took on the 5th of November. Concepts using midnight open from New York and the daily cycle. So I saw during the Tokyo session, which I wasn't around for, there was a big push down. Price had come back and filled some imbalance and then pushed further down, and is coming back and just filling this imbalance. And here my liquidity tracker from sessions to sessions. And as we can see, as London is opening up, had Frankfurt take the low of Tokyo, and then London opened up and it came and took the Frankfurt high and also came back to the midnight open, which is the open of this candle just here. So I didn't take this as a risk entry, which would have been this one right here. So drawing fib from high to low. This area would have been my sort of golden zone, like the golden zone right here, which price has come back into respected. But the thing that concerned me a little bit was we were having these imbalances that were being respected on the way up, and this imbalance that was respected somewhat but then disrespected because price came into this fair value gap and pushed higher. So what I did is I just went down onto the 1 minute and I just had a look at what I could see. And as we see, we've got this high here that's been taken by these highs. So at the moment I'm wanting this low to be taken, or for this to be pushed higher and then to come back down low, so give me an entry to come back in. So I just play free price. We've got a failed swing here. Basically what happens is price came up, came down. The job of this low was to break this high, which it didn't. But I'm not a big fan of these types of moves. I would prefer this to be broken and then to come back down to come below here and give me an entry. As we can see though, price did come back into my area and give an entry, which I didn't take because I don't like failed swing entries. So it pushed lower, and now as we can see, it has pushed below this area that I wanted to see it push below. So now I'm looking for an entry. So as soon as price starts falling back, which it does here, I wanted to get in there, but unfortunately this line here would have been my entry. So I had a trade set up here and it did miss. So I was unable to get into that one, and then price broke lower and then did come back into my entry. Now I did take this one, probably could have put my stop loss here because we're going with the overall trend direction, but I didn't like the looks of these equal highs, so I did move my stop loss out to my 1.15, and then that still gave me a 2.2. There we go. And I was looking at the London lows and the Frankfurt lows, but I decided not to be greedy and just take what the market give me, which in some respects was good because the trade was over pretty quickly, but could have gone for a bit more of a higher risk to reward, but happy with that. And I was done and out fairly quickly.
Thanks for sticking around to the end. To be eligible for the free $1,000 giveaway, you just have to be able to receive a PayPal payment. To enter, like and comment below and come back tomorrow for another video and another chance to enter.